Cache files are generated from the temporary drive during execution of backup or restore jobs. These cache files are expected to be automatically deleted after a backup or restore job finishes. However, in some instances, the cache files are not automatically deleted, which can cause the temporary drive space to fill up. If the temporary drive does not have enough space, consider modifying the location where the temporary data will be stored by following these steps. Stop the Assay OBM service. Open the Services app. Select Assay Online Backup Manager Services, then stop. Go to the installation directory of Assay OBM. Then open the afc.opt file using a text editor. Add this parameter. For example, the temp folder in the E drive. Then, click Save. Restart the Assay OBM service.